Hi, I'm Rajesh Gupta, Chief Executive Officer of Mahindra in South Africa. Today I'm here to participate in the grand occasion of inaugurating our new plant. We were fortunate to have presence of Reverend MEC from DTIC, Honorable Mayor being with us, Chairperson from Dube TradePort, from IDC, banks, people coming from associations like NAMSA and NACAM, a lot of journalists who are participated in this process. Inaugurating our new plant, which is a proud occasion for all of us all, and it actually redefines the meaningful dialogue behind Mahindra at Home in South Africa. We always have attempted doing things which actually matters for the customer. Today, with the new plant, this equity will be further more deeply placed. The idea of someday doing complete manufacturing in this country will originate from these kind of steps. By creating sustainability, but staying committed to our customers is what it means to us. This is the start of the third decade of Mahindra in South Africa. We are here to stay.